Welcome back to the channel. Back to the channel, and in this episode, we are going to see one company from USA. Okay, Airbus. Okay, okay. Airbus up to all-time high. The stock price rose by 355.07%. Airbus order rise outpacing rivals like Embraer and Diamond, despite doubt about the Boeing production rate. October 30 report period Q3 2024 EPS estimate 0.30, revenue 17.77 billion, market cap 117.37 billion USD, dividend yield 0.96, price to earning ratio 35. Revenue 70.75 billion, net income 4.10, basic EPS 1.06, beta 0.76, electronic technology, aerospace and defense, Guali Fiori, employee 147.89K, Airbus, ASC is a holding and the management company which engage in the design, manufacture and marketing of the aerospace products, services and the solution it operates through the following segment: Airbus helicopter and Airbus Defence in the space. The Airbus segment involves in the development and the manufacture of the component conversion and the related services. The Airbus helicopter segment include the provision of civil and the military helicopter related to the service. The Airbus Defence and the space segment focus on the connected intelligence, military and the air space system. The company was founded in December 29, 1998 and headquarters is in Paris, France. Net revenue 70.75, net income 4.10, net margin 5.79, revenue 70.75, COGS minus 59, gross profit 10.86, operating expenses minus 6.25, operating income 4.61, non-operating income expenses 255, taxes and other minus 770, net income 4.10. Debt of 15.01, 6.3.63, 18.19, 0.42, and actual revenue 1.50, and financial report price to earning ratio 35x, price to sales ratio 1.63x, and P ratio 29.77, PE 20.91x, PX 1.51, P 20.17, PS 1.63, the revenue 70.75, net income 4.10, net margin 5.79. By source of business: Airbus Defense and Space, Europe, Asia Pacific, North America, Middle East, Latin America, other country, and dividend yield 0.99, last payment 0.593, and dividend history looks like this: 0.36, 0.94, dividend per share 0.37, 1.25, debt 15.01, 3.63, 18.19, assist 70.13, 59.29, assist 61.18, liabilities 48.38, and statement will look over looking over is over total revenue 71, gross profit 10.48, operating income 3.96, pre-tax income 4.17, equity in earning 286, tax minus 1.33, 209, 3.34, 3.34, 3.34, 1.06, 1.06, 6.66, 3.96, 68 billion. Statistics: annual revenue looks like this, and balance sheet with total assets 131.31 billion, total liabilities 107.67 A billion, total equity 19.59, total liability and shareholder equity 131, total debt 15.01, net debt minus 4.62, book value per share 6.21, cash flow, annual cash from operating activity 4.86, investing minus 6.07, financing minus 2.88, cash free cash flow 1.35 billion, and statistics. Annual statistics report common share 3.17, 35 price to earning ratio, price to sales ratio 1.63, price to cash flow ratio 24.08, price to book ratio 6.60, enterprise value 116, enterprise value to EBITDA 15.55, return on assets 2.55, return on equity 19.50, gross margin 14, operating margin 4.45, EBITDA 9.37, net margin 1.44, quick ratio 0.44, current ratio 1.11, inventory turnover 1.52, assets turnover 0.55, debt to assets 0.10, debt to equity 0.78, 0.08, 0.59, 0.36, 0.94, 27.96, earning with annual earning looks like this 2.79 and estimate earning 19.94. Revenue also looks like this. Airbus 50.79, and Airbus Defense and Space 12.36, Airbus Helicopter 7.61, Europe 27, Asia Pacific 20, mm, North America 14.90, Middle East 4.25, Latin America 1.88, other country 1.65 billion, and forecast. Oh, up to 1 year maximum price increase will be 44.43 percentage, average plus 12.95, current 37 percentage, minimum minus 20, technical indicator 1 month technical time frame with RSI 52, stochastic 30, commodity 2.31, average 19, awesome 6.30, momentum 4.08, MACD 2.33, stochastic 13.11, Williams minus 62, 2. Minus 2.91, 51, 38, 39, 36, 36, 35, 33, 32, 31, 28, 28, 19, 19, 33, 36, 36, 36, support 17, second 26, first 32, pivot 35, resistance 41, second 45, third 54, 26, 30, 32, 35, 39, 41, 45, 36, 36, 37, 35, 39, 40, 41, 24, 27, 33, 36, 43, 45, 52, 34, 36, 43, and we will see it on super chart also. With the price, this stock price will looks like this, where maximum accumulation is here on this page, and now RSI is around 45, and RSI around 30 to 45 is considered as a little bit buying zone, but below 30 it is considered as a most extremely buying zone, and after 70 it is considered as a overbought zone or consider this point. And I think this company stock price will not grow as higher as expected. Okay, and this much for today.